If you're encountering integration errors on Zapier AI, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues quickly. Step 1. Check your connections. Ensure that all your app connections are active and authorized. Go to the My Apps section in Zapier and verify that each app you are using in your Zaps is connected properly. Step 2. Review Zap settings. Examine the settings of the Zap that is causing the error. Look for any fields that may be incorrectly filled or missing information. Make sure all required fields are completed correctly. Step 3. Test your triggers and actions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check for data formatting issues. Ensure that the data being sent between apps is in the correct format. For example, dates should be in a standard format and text fields should not contain unsupported characters. Adjust the data formatting as needed. Step 5. Consult Zapier support resources. If the issue persists, visit the Zapier Help Center or community forums for additional guidance. You can also reach out to Zapier support for personalized assistance with your integration errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on Zapier AI efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help.